Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my morning analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro dollar definitely did turn at this 138 level. And like I was saying yesterday, if this is really one, two, three ways down for three ways of A, and then one, two, three ways up for three ways of B, then this 138 and 123 would be the area I would expect it to actually turn down. So, if this really is a wave B, then this would have to be a wave one, this would have to be a wave two, and this would have to maintain down momentum for a wave three. If it doesn't maintain down momentum for a wave three, then it's not a wave three. It's probably more likely an ABC. So if it doesn't maintain that down momentum, but instead it just kind of ends up pushing up like this, then that's going to invalidate this being a wave B. And at that point, I would just continue to trade with the higher time frame trend. Higher time frame trend is definitely up. It looks like it could be a wave B, but often on the shorter time frames, you'll come up with reasons for the market to go down. In reality, it doesn't go down because the higher time frame is in a very strong uptrend. So keep an eye on this to see whether it turns into an ABC or whether it turns into a 1, 2, 3. If you pay attention to your fib levels, pay attention to price, you should definitely be able to tell the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C, which we are currently likely already in. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.